With the grounding of Boeing 737 MAX planes, India has joined the global suspension wave. A day after the Directorate-General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) banned Boeing 737 MAX 8 from the Indian airspace, the Civil Aviation Secretary today said that DGCA has been monitoring the B737 MAX matter very closely. As an additional measure, inputs were sought from Boeing. DGCA also said that no compensation will be provided to the airlines. They are also likely to review fare over the next 2 days in light of the suspension of Boeing 737 MAX flights. The DGCA had given a 4 p.m. deadline to ground all Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircrafts in India. With the grounding of Boeing 737 MAX planes, India has joined the global suspension wave after 737 MAX 8 aircraft operated by Ethiopian Airlines crashed near Addis Ababa, killing 157 people on board. Currently, 2 Indian airlines fly the Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft, including Jet Airways 5 planes, and SpiceJet 12 planes. Now, Singapore suspends Boeing 737 MAX flights. SpiceJet slips 8% as India grounds Boeing 737 MAX. Boeing 737 MAX to be grounded fully by 1,600 hours today. DGCA officials. India Aviation Authority grounds Boeing 737 MAX airplanes. United Kingdom bans Boeing 737 MAX planes from its airspace. Commenting feature is disabled in your country, region.